Hey, what's going on, guys? Really quick, running through warm-up number 11. There's multiple answers on this. I'm not going to talk too much about anything except for this, just because I want to knock this out just to address it all. It says the cost for X number of students to attend an after-school sporting event can be represented by the function C of X, period. If C is 124 equals 558, select the following statements that are true. And I did write that you have three right answers. Okay, so on Algebra Nation during the test yourself assessment, if you come across this question, it's not going to tell you that you have three right answers. I just figured I would try to help you guys out with that, because I did see on the other multiple answer ones that you guys were selecting one or selecting too many. So I just ended up putting down three. All right. Very first thing that's super important. The cost for X number of students. X number of students. X means the number of students. So everywhere we see X, we replace it with 124. So that 124 represents students. All right. It's that easy. It tells you X number of students. Well, there's an X. They replaced X with 124. 124 people showed up to this sporting event. 124 students. I'm just going to run through the options now that I know that information. The first one says 124 students paid to attend the event. That's true. They showed up, they gave some sort of money, they walked in. All right. Going from there, 558 students paid to attend the event. Well, that doesn't make sense. We just established 124 students paid to go. So this one makes no sense. So you can cross that out. 558 does mean something. And honestly, if 124 students showed up and it equals 558, that's how much money they got. That's how much money the school ended up getting was $558. All right. I'm just going to keep running through the options, even though I just gave you another answer. The next one, it says the cost for one student to attend the event cannot be determined. Well, that's not true. Pretty much what this problem is, I'm going to rewrite it out to the side, is 124C equals 558. Well, that right there is just nothing more than a one-step equation. So I would just go ahead. This is multiplication. I would just divide 124 from both sides. And the cost, and this is the cost per one student, one person getting in, will be $4.50. So this is false. We can definitely figure it out. The next one says the cost for one student to attend the event is $4.50. Well, it's true. All I did was divide these two numbers together. It's what I did over here. I took, yeah, 558 divided by 124, got 450. The event generated $124 from student revenue. Not true. That's how many students showed up. So I can cross that one out. And the last one says the event generated $558 from student revenue, which once again is true. It equals $558. Those are going to end up being our three answers. 124 students paid to attend the event. The cost for one student to attend the event is $450, and the event generated $558 from student revenue. Oh, here my other dog showed up, so I'll show you a picture of the third dog. All right, Winston, buddy, come here. Oh, sorry guys, that's not gonna. Let me change the view. There you go, Winston. Hey, what's up, big buddy? Yeah, there he is. That's our slow. That's our slow guy. All right, that's the slow one in the family. All right, I'll see you guys later. If you actually watch the videos, you actually got to see my dogs because I did show all three dogs now on the video. All right, Winston. Yeah, Winston, look at me. Winston. All right. Yeah, the guy's special. Barely knows his name. All right, I'll see you guys later. Once again, warm up number 11, the answer to it. I will post more videos throughout the weeks. Some of you guys have done an absolute amazing job reaching out to me. Elijah, Logan, Emily, Tim, Ivan. I mean, so many more students. Natalie, I know you sent me an email today too. Great job. Email me, message me. I mean, all those students, yeah, great work. CC, you were another one. Just make sure you're completing everything you need to complete. Guys, please don't show up 8 weeks down the road and say, what can I do to get my grade up? If you've done nothing I mean, I'll do the best I can, but it's not fair to the students working hard every week. All right. See you later, guys. Have a good day.